everyone, we're going to solve each inequality, and these are the two that we're going to do, and we're also going to graph these. All right, so for the first one, we have 1 is less than z minus 4 less than 9. So when you have this, we want z in the middle. We want to isolate it. So we're going to add 4 to each piece. So we're adding 4 to everything. So we're going to get 5 is less than z plus 0. So that's just z is less than 13. Now when I do a number line, I can put the 5, the 13. The 0 would be here somewhere. So it's greater than 5, but less than 13. So it's this shading in here. You could also read that the z is in between 5 and 13 exclusive. You've probably seen it like this. So it's basically saying is, well, z is greater than 5 if I read this the other way. And z is less than 13. And when you see something like that, it's always a good idea to write it like that in this interval notation. All right, the next one. We have an OR statement. So let's take this and solve for a. 6a is less than or equal to 8 plus 2a. I'm going to subtract 2a from both sides of the equation. So I get 4a is less than or equal to 8. Divide both sides of the inequality by 4. So you get a is less than or equal to 2. And for the second one, that's the OR. So now we have 10 minus 2a is greater than 4. So for this one, I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. Negative 2a is greater than negative 6. Now I'm going to multiply through by negative, or you can divide everything by negative, and this just makes everything opposite. So it's going to be 2a, and when you multiply or divide by negative, you have to flip this. And then you're going to get 6 here. When you divide both sides by 2, you get a is less than 3. All right. Another way to have done that is negative 2a is greater than negative 6. And from here, you could have divided both sides by negative 2. But when you divide, you have to flip that. So let's graph this. It has to be an OR. So a, here's 2. Put 0 here. Here's 2. A is less than or equal to 2. Or a is less than 3. So for 3, you're going to put the 3 here. That's going to be an open interval, and you can shade this way, because that includes this. So basically, we're just going to look at that. This is included in that one. So what you really want to look at is this and this part shaded. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.